I'll let you know at 4:10 when I'm still on site with no signal. Good morning, everyone. Good day today. Turf is going down. Have you ever had that feeling where you're decorating and you've painted, plastered, done everything, still don't feel finished? Get carpet done. That's what this feels like. So, Big Tomo's down there turfing. I'm over there soiling up, running backwards and forwards with soil. You saw then me snapping a saw and then Tom using it. The story behind that is my cousin. He went to go work for Putty Landscapes. We've always used Stanley knives, and then he saw someone with a saw, and he's like, "What are you doing? What are you doing?" He went, "I'll beat you." So they both went in each other's different gardens on this new build estate, same size. He turfed, and the guy with the saw over the Stanley knife were done loads sooner. How do you guys do it? Because that's how we do it now. Now we've heard that story, that's how we're doing it. So the objective today is turf down, soil up, and then if we have to come in tomorrow with just like last bit of soil, we just need to do this and that. We'll come in for a few hours and then we'll start in this other job. So, but we've just got to play it by ear today. Play it by ear because we've got little one's footy, and I'm in charge of taking some other kids to footy, so I can't even be late. Do you know what I mean? So pressure's on, but it's on Tom. It's not on me. It's never my fault. Never my fault. But guys, enjoy a time lapse of him laying some turf. I find it therapeutic. Tom enjoys turfing, and I barely do it, to be honest, because he nicks all that work off me. So crack on. See you soon. Yeah, please. Scumbag this week. Everton. So Tom's cracked on. I've been off for some soil. Look at that. Best thing to do is their living room is in here and upstairs there. So when they look out of there, they'll see them stripes, and that is what it's about. The reaction of the customer. Absolutely love it. So we always stripe it. But yeah, as you've seen, we're using ply boards. We prep it. We don't stand on it once we've raked it. Straight onto ply boards, even though they're OSB. Straight onto ply boards, and then you don't walk on it. 3 to 4 to 5 weeks, depending on what weather is. It's dried up a bit now on it, so it's like 3 or 4 weeks on here. And then when they cut it, they don't cut it too low, they just cut it nice, medium length. But what I do see, TikTok, Instagram, don't really look at landscapers on YouTube, but they're probably on there. They'll rotivate and then they're walking all over it and they're laying it down and doing it. And I'm like, I'm sorry. I've probably laid about 6 million rolls of turf. We've done all sorts of housing estates, we've done schools, football fields, golf courses, every time boards, all the way. Shouldn't be walking on the soil. And like there, let's have a look. Down there, there's some, my hand's wrong. Down there, look, there's some footprints. That's getting raked out because we're having to go along the edge of this planter to put soil in around that corner. I just can't do my hand this week, I don't know what it is. But yeah, it's a must. You do not stand on the soil. And if like now, Tom wanted something where the rolls are there, he can't get to him, we'll get another board down there. Spend 5 minutes messing about, you do not stand on it. Sackable offence. But yeah guys, he's cracked on. I've just put the curve in. This is going to be a planter down here, so I've just put a curve in for him so he can carry on a little bit more. We've got about 9 ton on van. Bloody big massive, you know, a big shovel, but like a quarry style. Come and put it on. And he just dropped on van. I was like, right, brilliant. But I only paid for a ton, so I'm not bothered. But guys, let's watch him lay some turf. Well, don't say shit, I'll bugger. Don't say shit, I'll bugger. You're live on Channel 4. The trucker guy's finally done the video. First one at year. You are. Who's Lee Scott? I left him there. I applied for tickets to that actually. Did you? Somewhere, South London.
Nice. How did you find drive to London?
So we're over there as well. Alright. No traffic at all, we set off at about 9:30.
How we're coming back.
Finally, there's roadworks at Doncaster have been sorted out after about 5 years.
About 50s are?
It's like you go over a bridge, but like you were going south, it was down to one lane and you went over. It was a nightmare. Where did we go to? Yeah, when we went in motorhome round Jara. Literally been in motorhome half an hour, just stuck in traffic. I was like, we're gonna step into it. So we're done for today. It is 3:30. Need to get home, get kids to football. Total rush trying to get over to Steeton from my house is a freaking nightmare. Takes like an hour, but that's when you set off. It says an hour, but obviously people are adding to traffic as you're setting off. It's bloody horrible. So we're here tomorrow morning, turfing this area. Just needs a little rake, a little bit of soil. That post, that concrete post that we've had from the start and been so careful with it, that's getting planted down there. And yeah, just that is it. We are done. Crazy. Been ages on this job. Feels like it anyway. But yeah, guys, catch you in the morning, 8 o'clock sharp.